this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust, backup camera, we have a nice little roof spoiler, we do get blind spot detection in this vehicle, and moving to the front, we have a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space, and of course if you need more you can always fold down that row. We've got 12-volt hooks, and lifting this up, you do get a fair bit of storage with the spare tire, which is always nice. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice textured gray cloth interior with some black cloth. You can collapse your seats with this and move your seats forward using this bar, which is pretty nice. And we do have a USB and USB-C down there. And we do have a cup holder and a fair bit of storage on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well with an additional cup holder. And your lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 73,583 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your toggle voice phone right there, cruise controls there, and your volume right there. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our digital speedometer, fuel economy, fuel coach, comm screen for our My View. You have our driving assist, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, information about your vehicle such as oil life, and so on and so forth. Trip 1 and 2, My View again, and so on and so forth. Looking here, you do have a nice gear shift, 2 cup holders, your parking brakes right there, drive modes, and auto stop, auto start. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. Continue our look here, you do have storage here with the USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. You do have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage down there. You have 2 heated front seats plus your climate, hazards, volume tune, and you do get storage in the glove compartment as well. And your main screen being here, which you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable. There's your audio, compass, and phone. You can get a Wi-Fi hotspot, which phones are connected, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, vehicle, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, any updates, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7605, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.